Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asriel and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. Today in this video, I will teach you basics of Python programming. I have I have studied a Python programming course on my YouTube channel AI Techniques, and it is our first lecture. Uh, this is our basic introduction about me. My name is Asriel and I am a final year student of computer science at PCIT. I will teach you Python programming from basic level. First, what is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python is used in various fields, for example, web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, operating system, mobile application development, and video games. What are the basics requirements for this course? You should have download and install Python 3 and also download and install any ID for this course like Pycharm and Anaconda. I will use Pycharm for this course. Now let's open our browser. To download Python 3, write Python 3 on Google Chrome and click on first link. Then it is the main website of Python. You can download from this link. I already downloaded this Python, and to download Python, type download Python on the Google Chrome and click on first link. There are two options, professional and community. You can download community version for free, and if you are a Mac, you can choose Mac or and Linux. You can download according to your operating system from here. Currently, I will use Python commuting for you. Correct. You can download from this. You can download Pycharm from this download link. I already downloaded both software in my system. Here are our software, Python and Pycharm community. And next question is how to download and Python and Pycharm in our system. I already created on this topic how to download and Python and Pycharm. This is our basic video. First, open your Python 3 and install. Then then install. After installing Python, you need to install Python. Uh, Double click on Python and click next, and use 64-bit launcher. And you can also add launches directly to the path, but it will ask a restart. You can also check it, and then click on next and wait for some time, and your Python will be ready to write your program. Click on run. This is complete video how to download and install and Pycharm in Windows 10. If you and here I show you how to configure your Python in Pycharm. You can see this video on my YouTube channel. If you have any query, then you can leave your comment here. I will try to give your answer in the comment box. Now, now I will Now I will tell you how to write print hello world program in Python. In Python, to print any string on the screen, we use print statement. To print hello world, we need to type parenthesis hello world, and it will print hello world on the screen. Let's create our first project in Pycharm. First, open your Pycharm. Or you can also type cmd In the search bar, type Py or Python, which system you support. I will type Py it and type hello world, and use this all how to create hello world in Python. Now I will show you how to create first project in Python. How to create your first Python project in Pycharm. My Pycharm is open now. Now I will tell you how to create a Python project in Pycharm. It is it it takes some time. To create your project in Pycharm, you need to click on File, then click on New Project. And select the path where you want to store your. I will create a new folder here. It is our Python code folder, and I will create a new folder here, lecture 1, or I will write Python course project. Click OK, and you can choose your virtual environment from here, virtual environment, and select your Python basic interpreter from here, and click on create button, and you can click on this window. Now our project is created, and it is creating virtual environment for our project. It will take some time. Sorry for waiting. Sorry for waiting this. Sorry for background noise. When you create this project, it will automatically write some code by default. You can delete this and write your code here. I will write hello world, and to run this project, click on run button, and you can see hello world is printed on our screen. That is all on today's lecture. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query, you can leave your question in comment box. Thank you. I will meet you in next video.